a sugar craving, every second person opts for a quick toffee or a chocolate meal just like Deepti. But don't you think all these sugar fixes must come dressed in color and glitter to take you right into the world of fairies? So here I am in this fairyland, which is my friend Sujaya's residence, and creating these little rainbow colored beauty is this fairy here. So since when did you start doing this?
I've been baking for a long time. The cupcakes actually came around maybe about 3-4 months ago when I'd gone abroad and a lot of people were eating cupcakes. So I figured, why not in Chennai? Because there's not a very big market for cupcakes.
Why do you say there's not a big market for cupcakes?
Not to the point where you would use them as a wedding cake or for a party. You know, everyone likes the whole concept.
So you mean to say that my next birthday party, I won't be looking forward to a huge cake with different layers, but then looking at these little cupcakes?
Absolutely.
Lovely.
Absolutely, because you can take one cupcake and your cupcake is perfect for you. Okay, if you have a cake which you slice, it tends to look terrible after it's been cut to pieces. So with a cupcake, you can just take them all off the same arrangement and end up with really nice looking cupcakes left. There's a lot of mixing.
Where did you actually learn this whole idea?
I had a lot of spare time and I like YouTube quite a lot.
Sujaya's cupcakes taste as good as they look. They are customized to suit every personality. You can opt for a butterfly effect, or pick a cute little Winnie the Pooh, or have fun with a Spider-Man, or simply match it with your pink birthday gown and dress it up with bright flowers and sprinklers. The flavor can be anything from peppermint, vanilla to strawberry. It's not just the topping, the actual cake can also be colored and flavored. Sujaya spends her time beating the dough and cream and adding a dash of blue, pink, yellow, green, almost all that she could pick from the colors of the rainbow. And in 15 minutes, the kitchen invites you with the aroma of the golden brown baked beauty.
I can almost hear it whisper.
Pick me up, please, I love you. With the first bite, I fell in love with the fluffy buttercream that greased my lips. The soft, flaky cake crumbles in your mouth, a much-needed sugar fix.
It's because of these yummy cupcakes that her place is always thronging with guests. Guests mane, it's cupcakeaholic guests.
And there, a guest soon arrived, the director of the soon-to-release Tamil romantic comedy Kadal to Kalyanam. So what brought him from Kadal to Kalyanam to cupcakes now?
How do you both know each other?
Well, we got to know each other, a couple of years back, and because a friend of mine, she's married, a very close friend of mine whom I've known for ages, and we've grown up together and things like that. And so she, happened to marry him, and we got along, and we became great friends after that. So that's how we got to know each other.
Thanks to the cupcake, you both became friends.
Yeah.
It's an additional bonus.
Yeah.
It's not the only reason.
See, if she keeps making cupcakes like this, then how can I not be friends with her?
True. So did you also learn the art of making a cupcake?
Well, I think we should leave that to the experts.
No,
so.
I would say he's more learned the art of eating them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like
I'm like her tester.
yes.
Like, so all the experiments that happen and the finished product is what
Looks
you see
like I've
right
got
now.
a lot to learn from you.
Yeah.
Mr. Milind Rao has also worked with legendary directors like Mani Ratnam.
So we're all looking forward to your film. When is it going to release?
Well, it's definitely going to come out in a couple of months. I'm in the final stages of the post-production of the film. I've finished the complete shoot of the film, so very soon coming to theatre near you, it's going to come there.
Especially the genre that says Tamil romantic comedy makes me feel that it's going to be as colorful as these cupcakes.
Oh, definitely, and it's going to be as sweet as well.
Oh, lovely. I think we should celebrate that with a cupcake.
Definitely, why not?
That's from my side. since you are the official tester, why don't you tell me what makes these cupcakes really special?
Like I said, and like she herself was saying, it's just that every time I come here, there's something new for me to try out. You know, if it's this flavor or that flavor or this design, or you know, it might be a chocolate cupcake, it might be a vanilla cupcake. I mean, it's like there's so much variety, and that's what I love about it. You know, I never know what to expect when I walk in here. You know, and what flavor I'm going to have and stuff like that. And that's
So
the
what
best part.
flavor is this, Sujaya?
These are actually rainbow cupcakes with a vanilla icing.
So what is very challenging about making this here? Do you get all the ingredients here, or how does it work?
Honestly, I would say the biggest challenge is the weather because everything melts, you know, so you need to have the AC running and the fan running all the time to keep them fresh. So I tend to, if I have an order, I will only ice them maybe half an hour, an hour before, which is one thing. And the other thing is that, yeah, a lot of the ingredients that you do get are not the kind of stuff, like obviously when you're watching on YouTube, it's a lot of foreigners making these things. So they just readily say, oh yeah, just go to your local grocery store and pick this up. And here you don't get that. So yeah, sourcing ingredients is quite difficult. I tend to get my ingredients from abroad. Actually, down from my liners up, I get from abroad, because even I've not found liners that I've been too happy with.
I mean, it's very different from the flimsy ones that you get here.
Yes, and they have more of the grease on them, so they sit better. The shape doesn't really change so much, and they're all uniform, which is a very important thing.
Sujaya was born and raised in London, so her love to experiment with food doesn't just stop with baking cupcakes, but extends to preparing British and Italian items too. While we talked, out came a regular veg pizza with a thin crust, topped with capsicum, corn and onions and garnished with oregano. But Sujaya's trademark item is shepherd's pie. Minced lamb meat is cooked with onions and carrots, and the vegetables aren't cooked in oil but butter, which lends it the perfect flavor. One of the main ingredients of shepherd's pie is beef fat. Here, Sujaya substituted it with some gravy powder and finally topped it with mashed potatoes and baked.
So there it's British and Italian.
Continental food. Doesn't it always border on the bland?
I heard that.
Okay, oops.
Just because it's British, it doesn't mean it's bland.
Okay.
I think you should give it a go and then see what you've got to say.
Unfortunately, the British for me is non-vegetarian, so I'll go ahead with the Italian and tell you how it is.
And I'm sure Milind can tell you how the...
Yeah.
I can see he's already started. To start with, the shape itself is very different. It's square and not the regular round pizza. And what makes it special is the fact that it's not just the topping, but even the base is actually made by her. I'm full, but still I think there is space for some sweet. Since we started on a sweet note, why not end it with that?
Sure.
I'm guessing I'll prepare my own.
No, I'm going to prepare my own.
No, I will prepare.
No.
Can I have that?
No, I'm going to use that.
No, I want that.
You can have this if you want. This is what flowers and all that is like a very good.
I'll have the flowers, I'll have that, I'll have this too.
Okay, guys, stop. Really, if you just want cupcakes, all you need to do is call me up. See?
Good idea.
And I think you should leave this part to me.
So here I am, I've settled for this cute little cupcake which has a cute little cartoon character on top and some sprinklers to make it colorful, and it has a chocolate base. Talking about chocolate, that brings me to the question for this week. The question is, how many flavors does chocolate have? A 200, B 300 or C 500? Send in your answers to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. So,
Don't even think about it. There's no tea on offer.
how about persuading her?
Please.
No, I'm tired. I've done all this work today. I'm exhausted. No tea. You've got cupcakes. Enjoy.